Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss hydration of alkenes. I mean acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Now this is one of the methods of preparation of alcohols. Remember, only alcohol, only primary alcohol which can be prepared by this method is ethyl alcohol, whereas 2 degree, I mean secondary and tertiary alcohols can be marginally prepared by this method. So, as far as symmetrical alkenes are concerned, then those undergo simple addition with concentrated sulfuric acid, but mix in case of unsymmetrical alkenes, Markovnikov's rule is applicable while adding the concentrated H2SO4. Now take a look at this example. Now consider propylene, which happens to be unsymmetrical alkene. When this is treated with concentrated H2SO4, then addition takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule, and that lead to the formation of an addition product, and that addition product can be given as, this is the isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Now this isopropyl hydrogen sulfate is to be boiled with water, I mean it is to be treated for the hydrolysis, and that lead to the formation of isopropyl alcohol along with H2SO4. Note one thing right here, H2SO4 is catalyzing the reaction, and therefore the small amount of H2SO4 can bring about use change. Now as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, this is so simple and interesting as well. Now step number 1. So very first step of the reaction involve the protonation of alkene. So protonation of alkene is very first step. Actually what is happening right here, we are adding acid to the water, therefore we all know very well H plus ion in water is present in the form of hydronium ion. Therefore in very first step what happens, alkene ultimately get protonated in this manner, so hydronium ion can be given as. So look what happens, protonation takes place in this way, leading to the formation of a stable carbonium ion, and that stable carbonium ion is the 2 degree carbonium ion, like this. Now in very first step intermediate carbonium ion is obtained. Now what happens in second step? Step number 2 is the nucleophilic attack. So water attacks the carbocation so obtained. So carbonium ion can be given as, this is attacked by water. In water oxygen is there which carries lone pair. So with the help of lone pair, water attacks the carbocation, and due to which an intermediate so obtained can be given as. Now the third step is the deprotonation step. So the intermediate so obtained in second step undergo deprotonation. Step number 3 is deprotonation step. So this step can be given as, this is an intermediate so obtained. So this intermediate lose proton like this, and electron pair remains at the oxygen, and that lead to the formation of an alcohol which can be given as. Now in this way alcohol is obtained, and this is the mechanism of the acidic hydration of alkene. Thank you very much.